Malugay. Good morning po, Gising Pilipinas watching from Taiwan. Arnel Requiel watching from Tarlac. Abroad din.
Dahil nakamonitor sa atin. Kaya tamang-tama po dahil nasa Zoom na natin si Congresswoman Jervy Luistro ng ikalawang distrito ng Batangas at chairperson po ng House Committee on Justice. Congresswoman, magandang umaga po sa inyo, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Alvin and Doris. Thank you for having me here again. Good
Opo.
morning sa lahat ng viewers and followers.
Yan.
And of course, magandang umaga sa mga residente ng ikalawang distrito ng Batangas.
Alay.
Pwede banggitin yung bayan?
Of course.
Oh.
Special greetings po sa ating mga kababayan from Mabini, Bawan, San Pascual, San Luis, Lobo at Tingloy. Gising-gising na po. Every gising is a blessing.
Yun.
Meron bang constituents, meron kayong lugar na under sa inyo na may beach?
Definitely. Marami. No?
Oh.
That includes Mabini. And for the information of everyone, Mabini po ang town ng Anilao, which is the birthplace of scuba diving in the Philippines.
Di,
No?
natanong ko lang dahil mainit, partner, ang mga kababayan natin, sugod!
Oo, hanap
Sugod
ng
sa
hanap.
dagat
Yes.
para magpalamig,
Pinakamalapit.
Congresswoman.
Oo.
We
Anilao.
also have Masasa White Beach in the town of Tingloy. And we also have a lot of scuba diving sites in Bawan, San Luis, and Lobo. Significantly, Alvin and Doris, ours is a tourism area. Ang kalahati ng aming dagat ay tourism area. And the other half is industrial. We call it Batangas Bay and Balayan Bay. No?
Pero,
Part po tayo ng Verde Island Passage.
ayun, no? Pero public beach naman yun, mama, no? I mean, anyone can
Well,
have access.
Merong public, meron naman na dedicated di umano ng mga commercial beach resorts, no? Kasi no one owns naman
Oo,
the
tama
shoreline,
yun.
di ba?
Oo,
No one owns
it's
the
for everyone.
seawater, no?
Yeah.
But di natin maiwasan minsan by reason of their commercial activity ay meron tayong perception na parang dedicated, but actually it's publicly owned, the entire beach.
Ilang oras yung Anilao from Metro Manila? Medyo malayo din, ano? 2?
It's
3?
without traffic, it's 2 hours.
With traffic?
With traffic, it depends on the traffic.
Ganun pa ba
Meron-
siya,
Oo, parang
Ganun
ganyan
pa ba
yan,
siya
oo.
kaganda, ma'am? Kasi talagang
Ako,
parang...
ang tagal ko nang nakapunta sa Anilao. Sa totoo lang.
Sikat
sikat
yung
yan.
Anilao.
Oo,
Oo,
Doon
tagal
sa
ko rin.
Anilao, Doris, it is actually ideal for snorkeling and scuba diving kasi marami tayo ditong marine sanctuary, no? So, ano bang sinasabi ng American scientists about Verde Island Passage? This is the home
Center
to the
of the
most
center.
number of marine species in the world. Tama si Alvin doon. Center of the center of marine biodiversity of the world. So you would expect ang pinakamaraming marine species dito natin makikita sa Verde Island Passage, and that includes the waters of Batangas 2nd District, especially Anilao, the birthplace of scuba diving.
Ay, pwede palang tourism secretary to.
Oo nga, why not? Why not?
Pero hindi po turismo pag-uusapan natin. Just to break the ice, Congresswoman. Pahingi po kami ng reaksyon dahil ang mister ni Vice President Sara Duterte ay may magfa-file po ng kaso laban sa inyo today. Well, among others, hindi lang po kayo, kung hindi pati yung pinuno ng BSP, AMLAC, and several other congresspersons today
Pati yung NBI yata.
for violating di umano ang kanyang rights, privacy rights. Go ahead, ma'am. Anong reaction niya?
Alam mo, Alvin, this is one of their options, no? As a matter of fact, nauna na yung maraming petitions doon sa Supreme Court. We have, I think, a total of 4 petitions already pending before the Supreme Court. Meron pa isang petition nandito sa RTC Quezon City. At ngayon, ang balita, they will be filing a criminal case for violation of the confidentiality, no? Against us. That includes me, some members of the Justice Committee, and even the AMLAC and the BSP. Lahat ng ito, Alvin, are part of the options of the defense, no? Pero ang maliwanag, they are really against the disclosure of this information. These are attempts to suppress the disclosure of this information, no? Tayo sa Justice Committee, in my capacity as chairperson, we maintain the position that we did not violate any law, neither the provisions of the Bank Secrecy nor the provisions of the Anti-Money Laundering Act, no?
Opo. Ay, hindi, pero teka muna. Sabi mo, option nila yon, ano po? Pero
Yeah.
pinaninindigan po ba ng komite na pinamumunuan po ninyo na walang mali,
Oo.
walang mali
Oo.
sa ginawa ninyong pagsasapubliko ng bank transactions ng pangalawang Pangulo?
First and foremost, Alvin, no? Paulit-ulit natin yan dinidistinguish during the hearing. Hindi po bank records ang ating sinapina. Ang sinapina po natin are covered transactions and suspicious transactions.
Mhm.
It is our position to make a distinction between bank records, which is covered by the confidentiality in bank secrecy law, and the transactions which were made the subject matter of the subpoena. Pag sinabi mo kasing transactions, document yan ng AMLAC, no? But when you say records, document yan ng bangko. So in as far as we are concerned, pagdating sa bank secrecy law, there is no violation. Now, if they will be raising the violation of confidentiality of AMLAC, this is my answer to that. This is an impeachment case, and therefore, the totality of all the laws pertaining to transactions and bank records must be considered, no? This is an accountability mechanism, and therefore, the exception provided in the bank secrecy law must be interpreted in such a way that it should cover any other confidentiality in other existing laws. Otherwise, wala nang matutuloy na impeachment on the ground of unexplained wealth, no?
Opo.
Opo.
We've been very, very cautious. As a matter of fact, mahaba ang deliberations natin dyan during the hearing before we finally proceeded to hearing the report of the AMLC. We are aware of the confidentiality provision in the bank secrecy law. We are likewise aware of the confidentiality provision in the AMLAC, but we are giving spirit to the intentions, the rationale behind this accountability mechanism.
Apo. Ma'am, dati nawindang tayo, nangailangan tayo ng lahat ng klase ng diksyonaryo para alamin kung anong ibig sabihin ng forthwith. Ngayon meron na namang bago, others. Anong ibig sabihin po ng others?
Yung sa SALN, ibig
Oo,
sabihin.
salin
This-
naman.
This actually came from the press con of Attorney Powa, no? He was claiming that the cash and the bank deposit, which were not declared from 2018, if I'm not mistaken, up to 2025, hindi natin makita dun sa SALN ni VP. Ito yung sinasabi ni Joel Chuwang Ediwao, no? Walang cash, walang bank deposit. Ang sagot dyan ni Attorney Powa, inilamp daw yon dun sa item na others, no? So my answer to that is for them to explain that. It's for them to prove that. At ang malaking question sa akin, why suddenly inilagay dun sa others? When in the prior years, ang liwanag nasa cash. Ang liwanag nasa bank deposit. What prompted them to suddenly lump these items, in the item others, quote unquote, no? And they have to tally the amount, no? Magkano dyan yung cash, magkano dyan yung bank deposit, magkano dyan yung other personal properties. And that is why, Alvin and Doris, further proceeding is really necessary.
Ma'am, yung sa kay Attorney Manases, ano po, baka po kasi ang sabihin po niya is, teka muna, private individual ako eh. Ang
Oo.
ini-impeach niyo yung asawa ko. Wala akong kinalaman dyan. Hindi ako yung ini-impeach niyo. Bakit pati yung record ko ng labas-masok ng pera, hindi yung total account ha? Kasi
Oo.
hindi nga natin alam kung magkano yung balance niya sa bangko, pati ng Vice President, kasi bawal ngang ilabas yun.
Correct,
Ang
correct.
nilabas lang is magkano yung transaksyon na pumasok, magkano yung transaksyon na lumabas.
Oo,
But you
oo.
cannot conclude na pag minus mo yung isa sa isa, yun ang kanyang bank account. Hindi
Hindi.
ganon, hindi
Oo,
ganon, hindi ganon.
oo.
So paano yun, ma'am, pag giniit ng mister na, hindi ako ini-impeach, private individual ako eh. Hindi nyo ako dapat sinali dyan.
Dito sa ating bansa, in the absence of a prenuptial agreement, no? Most especially pagdating doon sa separation, complete separation of property. Kung walang ganyang agreement ang mag-asawa, the presumption is the property is conjugal. Conjugal
Well,
property,
oo.
or sometimes we call it absolute community of property. In principle, ang ibig sabihin niyan, ang pag-aari ni VP ay pag-aari din ng husband. At ang pag-aari ng husband ay pag-aari din ni VP. In other words, for us to be able to look into the Vice President's property, if indeed there is unexplained wealth, we have to consider the fact na yung pag-aari ng husband ay pag-aari din niya ng Vice President. And it is because of the conjugal nature of the property. That is why kasama yung husband in the clarificatory hearing.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi niya
Oo.
maihiwalay.
Oo.
Na bakit? Pag hindi mo ba nila... Kasi hiwalay na records yun eh.
Correct,
Pag nung
correct.
pinresent ninyo sa kamera, ibig niya sabihin is, hindi ba pwedeng ang record na lang ng asawa ko sinabi niyo, hindi na yung sa akin?
No, again, we are following the property regime of conjugal property, no? Kaya dapat nagkakaroon kayo, Alvin, Doris, dapat nagkakaroon kayo ng complete separation of property.
Ayun. Hindi kinakailangan na, madam, na nakalagay o nakaspecify na joint property namin to o joint account namin nito?
Well, I don't know if the AMLAC has the capability to do that. Remember, ang sinabina natin are transactions. We did
Opo.
not subpoena the accounts. So, ang anticipation namin, ang marireceive namin, madi-disclose lang sa hearing, ay yung talagang pumasok sa covered transactions regardless kung ito by joint or single account. Covered transactions and suspicious transactions. I do not know really kung sa pagre-report ba ng bangko papunta sa bank because it is the bank who voluntarily reports. That is in compliance with the Anti-Money Laundering Act, no? Part no, na kapag nakakitang bangko ng covered transactions, report siya online papunta sa AMLAC, no? Pag nakakita ang bangko ng suspicious, bangko nagde-determine whether the transaction is suspicious or not. Report din siya papunta doon sa AMLAC, no? So I don't know kung doon ba sa reporting na yon, ang AMLAC ba may capacity to identify kung anong bank account,
Oo.
anong nature ng pag-aari nitong account na to. Is this single account or is it joint with someone else? Sino bang ka-joint? I don't know. Kasi nung nagre-report si AMLAC, parang ang naging disclosure lang niya are limited to covered transactions and suspicious transactions.
Opo.
I wish to add also, kasi nag-explain sila na para daw bloated yung amount. Kasi example ni Attorney Poa, pag mayroon kang ipinasok na 1,000, winidraw mo, zero na yon sa account, but actually, pag nireport siya sa AMLAC, the total is 2,000. Well, we do not deny that because ang subject matter kasi ng reporting sa AMLAC is transaction. Hindi naman account Transaction ang nagiging questionable, yung pasok at labas. So, kung may pumasok na suspicious, that's one count. May lumabas na suspicious, that's another count. We are not bloating it. As a matter of fact, doon nga sa cover letter ni Executive Director Buenaventura, diba indicated clearly, inflow. May nakalagay, for VP, for husband, total. Outflow, for VP, for husband, for total. And then may nakalagay pa doon sa pinakailalim na not indicated whether inflow or outflow. But then, nakalagay pa rin, it is 790,000, 790, what's this, million? Something like that. That's to provide a tally of the amounts. No, what I wish to say, Alvin and Doris, hindi naman secret yun na may inflow at may outflow. And we are not bloating the amount. What the AMLAC is trying to show, ito po yung mga questionable na pumasok at ito po yung mga questionable na lumabas. Actually, the point of AMLAC there is not the balance, it's not the amount contained in the account, but the transactions which went in and went out, no?
Yeah.
Because what is questionable there is not the balance but the transaction.
Apo. Pero kung ito paliwanag mo na rin kasi maraming ang nalilito. Akala nila merong 6.7 billion pesos
Oo nga.
sa bank account
Oo.
ang Vice Presidente, which is not the case. Ano po? Pero
Yeah.
bakit ho ba hindi uubra na ilatag na lang kung magkano pera niya sa bangko at ibangga natin sa SAL? Di ba mas simple ang ganun? Magkano pera mo sa bangko versus the SAL
You will remember, Alvin, no, since day one of our proceeding before the Justice Committee, we've been taking the conservative route. We've been taking the safer route, no? Aware tayo, conscious tayo about the possibility of being questioned again before the Supreme Court because of the alleged violation. Sinabi ko na ito, we are of the position that the Justice Committee has all the authority to inquire into bank accounts. But nonetheless, because we wanted to be cautious, we wanted to be conservative, we do not want another petition in the Supreme Court. We opted to subpoena the AMLC instead of the bank, no?
Okay.
And again, tama ka doon, Alvin. Kung ang gusto mong makita is yung balanse, bangko dapat yan. But we did not subpoena the bank. Pero kung ang gusto mong makita are just the covered and the suspicious transactions in line with the anti-money laundering, no? AMLC yan. And the position of the Justice Committee ay ang isabina ay AMLC na lang. Dahil we are taking the safer side.
Pero pagdating po, pag umabot tayo sa hearing, gagawin niyo po yan. Kasali yan sa ebidensya ng prosekusyon na ipipresent natin kung magkano ba talaga ang naipon niyang pera sa bangko?
Yes, and I think it will be the best time when really to subpoena the banks kasi we anticipate already na i-argue ng kabila na ang exception lang sa bank secrecy is trial before the Senate. And we will be maintaining the position that even the proceeding in the Justice Committee is included in the exception. But when we reach the trial before the Senate, when we move for the issuance of subpoena of the bank records and the bank officials, I think there are no more questions at all.
Okay. Sige ma'am, hanggang dyan muna tayo kung mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po. Mag-ingat po
Thank
kayo
you,
lagi.
ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning. At
Magandang
salamat
umaga.
Doris and Alvin. Thank you.
Mabuhay
Ingat
ang
po
ikalawang
kayo.
distrito ng Batangas. Puntahan natin si Congresswoman doon ha. Magtampisaw tayo sa dagat, partner. Gusto mo ba?
Oo, gusto ko mag-diving.
Thank you, Congresswoman Jervy Luistro na ikalawang distrito ng Batangas at chairperson po ng House Committee on Justice. Kasi sa mga kababayan natin, partner, simple lang mag-isip.
Oo.
Ganito kalaki ang pera mo sa bangko, ganito lang ang sweldo mo, paano mo nakuha? Alimbawa lang po ito kasi wala pa po dinadivulge kung magkano ang pera
Magkano talaga,
ng
oo.
inaakusahang opisyal sa bangko. Ang lumabas po ay ang transaksyon. Magkanong pumasok, magkanong lumabas.
Oo.
Hindi
Wala.
natin pwedeng pagbanggain yun at ang diferensya, yun ang hindi ganun.
Kaso mo nga, wala akong pakialam dun
Oo.
Pasok, labas.
Oo.
Ang tanong ko lang, magkano pera mo?
Ayun,
Kasi
yun na
ako,
nga.
pagka tinanong mo ako sa